Today, we have the pleasure of speaking a guest, a cast member expert, who will help us explore about feminist lenses through which we can view this compelling story.
The story of Love on a Balcony involves a complex relationship that defies the societal norms, forms a feminist perspective. How does the female protagonist challenge the traditional gender roles?
The woman on the balcony is not passive or waiting to be rescued. She is actively seeking love on her terms, rejecting the constraints placed upon her. This challenges traditional notion of how women should behave. How does this story highlight the empowerment of women, especially in the context of Asian societal norms?
It's about agency. In these settings, women are often viewed as object of desire or social transaction. Yet the protagonist asserts her own desire and decision, which is quite radical.
Love on a Balcony portrays the female protagonist as a woman who actively takes control of her destiny. How does this character challenge traditional female stereotypes found in literature and media?
The female protagonist in Love on a Balcony is anything but passive in many traditional stories. Women are often depicted as waiting for a man to rescue them, or a seen as a secondary character whose main purpose is to support the male lead. In contrast, our protagonist is the one who initiates and takes action. She drives the narrative forward by making choices that reflect her desires, independence, and autonomy, challenging the typical damsel in distress trope of seen in romantic narratives.
Throughout the film, we see a tension between societal expectation of women and their personal desires. How does this tension speak to the broader feminist conversation about personal freedom versus social constraints?
The tension between societal expectation and personal desire is a core theme in Love on a Balcony. The protagonist's journey reflects a universal struggle many women face, balancing personal fulfillment with societal pressures. Feminist at its heart advocates for the freedom of individuals, especially women, to make choices that align with their own identities and aspirations. This story speaks to that fight, portraying a woman who refuses to conform to societal rules that stifle her happiness and instead chooses a path that is true to herself.
And finally, how does Love on a Balcony inspire contemporary audiences to rethink the concept of romantic love and the gender dynamics within it?
The film calls for a reevaluation of the traditional power imbalances in romantic relationships and urges us to consider how to love can be more empowering when both partners are free to express themselves fully without fear or societal judgment or restriction.
That's all for today's special edition. Be sure to check out Love on a Balcony, the Song of Songs, coming soon to the theaters near you. Stay tuned for more.
And that's all for today, our special talk show. And thank you for all guests that we've asked today. And for the inside perspective, it's clear that Love on a Balcony, the Songs of a Songs, is not just a love story but a narrative that challenges societal norms both historically and culturally. That's it.